Decorating Services in Kensington, London. Our interior and home decorating services is perfect for residential and commercial properties. If you're looking for high-quality decorators in Kensington, including areas such as Brompton Cemetery and Millennium Gloucester Hotel London Kensington, and looking to redesign your home, or need decorating advice, call us soon. Relevant tags: near to Natural History Museum, paper hangers, brushes, near to South Kensington, within Kensington, decorating ideas for small spaces, painting and decorating contractors, Kensington, London, painting and decorating ideas, close to Kensington High Street, within Kensington, paintbrush and varnish brush sets, wall paint roller designs, home decor ideas for living room, how to paint a wall with a brush, how to paint a wall with a roller evenly, paintbrush and varnish brushes, within easy distance to areas Kensington Palace, Brompton Cemetery, and Millennium Gloucester Hotel London Kensington, home decor ideas for small homes, wall covering protective tape, how to paint a wall with a roller, paint roller and tray sets, wallpaper smoothers, and sweeps, home decorating ideas on a budget in Kensington, not far from Imperial College London, how to load a paint roller, including postcode areas SW7 and SW10. Just off Cromwell Road and Brompton Road A308, specialist paint roller frames, painting walls ideas. Standard paint roller frames, paint contractors near me in Kensington, how to paint a wall with texture, wallpaper perforator, how to paint with a roller without streaks, specialist paint effect brushes, how to paint a wall properly, how to use a paint roller on a ceiling, how to paint a wall design, best roller for painting walls. For info about our decorating services in Kensington, call us today. Holland Park.